discovered that the man that prayed for Paul to receive Holy Ghost baptism was a member, not an apostle. Ananias, the Bible described him as a certain disciple. A certain disciple. Epaphras, one of you. He says, he salutes you. Now look at what Paul writes of him. Always laboring fervently, that is burningly. He burns in prayers for you, that you may stand perfect and complete in all the will of God. What's the meaning of this? Epaphras looks at the church in Colossae, attacked by a lot of heresies. There was the heresy of asceticism, there was mysticism, there was the heresy of legalism, and all of them. Philosophy. And there was a man who stood laboring unstoppably, laboring with zeal in prayers, not for the pastor, but for fellow members, that they will be established and made perfect and complete in what God has planned for their lives. Visions are like pregnancies. And for any pregnancy to be delivered, there is the necessity for support and help. That's what nurses and midwives do. They provide help. Of course, God helps. Because when you're going to do your Thanksgiving, you don't go to the hospital to thank the nurse. You finally come to God. But what do you say? You say, God provided one nurse that day. Is it not so? So God helps people. Why is it that until you see the pastor, we don't have the meeting holding? Isn't there somebody who will be a Joshua? Moses' servant. Do you notice that's the way the Bible calls him? Joshua, son of Nun. Moses' aide or servant. And God said, go up, leave him, let him select men and go to war. A day came in the life of the Israelites. David went to war and they nearly got him. And the people sat down and called him and said, from today, you will never go to war lest the light of Israel be snuffed off. We will go. If anybody should die in war, let's all be the ones. We don't want you taking the risk of a war front anymore.